Good evening guys and welcome back to the channel. Obviously it's been probably 2 or 3 weeks now, but I just wanted to get back to it in a way and just sort of chat to you guys about sort of what's next for my car. I've started filming a little modification video which will be coming out after this one, but I just wanted to film and give you a little bit of an update. The rain doesn't stop coming, so it's quite hard to do the little modification video at the moment, but I'll be squeezing it in somewhere. I've done half already, which I'll just talk about in a second. But yeah, just gonna sort of have a little chat about the car, but I'm going to go and sit inside because it's raining. I don't know what to just stand out here. Ah! Great. Love it, don't we? It's heat wave, then it's rain, and then we've had the most inconsistent weather ever today. Well, for me, I have personally in the southwest. It's just been bouncing down with rain. It's like tropical, then it's sunny, then it's been hot. But anyway, just want to quickly talk to you. I got an MOT booked on the 2nd of August. Just done my insurance as well. Well, I say just done, I've just checked the insurance, checked the prices. I need to go in and pay for that either tonight or tomorrow night. I think it's payday tomorrow, so I might wait until tomorrow to make me feel better. But the insurance for myself, 27, 9 years, no claims, a few points. I think it's about 350 quid. And tax obviously needs to come out then as well. I'm pretty sure that's gone up to about 330 now. So yeah, about 350 and 330, and then whatever it is for the MOT. Hopefully it doesn't fail. Hopefully there's nothing too majorly wrong. Some of the brake lines were corroding on the rear brakes last time as an advisory, but yeah, hopefully that's not too bad. I haven't really driven it, but hopefully it ain't got too wet and too rusty. I want to change to like braided lines somewhere, so that might be just an excuse to do that a little bit sooner rather than later. But yeah, we'll see what comes up on the 2nd anyway, so Monday. Got an MOT booked in, and yeah, we've got to pay for it and get back on the road, which obviously means that I'm keeping it for the moment. I've got a few plans on what I want to do. I've been sort of talking to a guy about a big modification and whether I want to do it or not. I'm a bit on the fence at the moment, but if I do, it'll make it quite exciting for the channel and myself, but if I don't, then yeah, I'll just have to push towards something new. I think this window's a little bit too close to being open. So yeah, for the moment we're keeping it, and if I go through some modification, hopefully I will keep it for a little while longer. I just want to talk about some other things that I've bought for the Recaros. Just a little mod. I saw them come up on Facebook the other day, and the price sort of teased me into buying it really. And they are the John Fars lowering frames. They lower them by about 30mm or 40mm, which is about an inch, just over an inch. I've just done this seat last night when the weather was a little bit better. It got dark quite fast, which you'll see in the video. But I've done this seat now. I haven't done the driver's seat yet, just because my neighbour sort of parks quite close, so I want the car around the other way really, just so I'm not trying to lift the chair in and out next to their lovely Audi. So, but yeah, I'm sat in it now, and it feels pretty good. But obviously we'll talk about that more in the video when we come to it. There's a few things a bit niggly that one thing I don't like, a couple of things that I do like. Oh, obviously we'll talk about that in the video. But yeah, John Fars lowering subframes. I'll show you them outside in just a second. Another one, we bought some new meat. We got some new meat for the car. I've always said that on the Team Dynamics, which are obviously on the car now, I've always had, well, I say I've always had, they came with the Toyo Proxies, and obviously they are, not the best, let's say. So yeah, we've upgraded. I found these on Facebook Marketplace, which some of you may be sighing. They're not new, they're second hand, but they've got 6mm plus tread on every tyre, so they're pretty much new, and they're discontinued. So as soon as I saw them, I was like, oh my god, I need to get them. And I paid 225 for them, I think. A set of 4. And yeah, actually we'll put a little clip in because I brought them home and I cleaned them the other day just to make sure they were pretty new. Well, looked new anyway, so yeah, I'll show you that clip now. These are the new tyres that I bought. AD08R not the RS. So you've got the old compound, which everyone says is a lot better, and you can tell that they've barely been used because you still got the little, whatever they're called on the side, the hairs, the tyre hairs are still just about there. I can't remember how many miles you said it did on them, but it, yeah, was barely anything, and the tread is plentiful. So yeah, I'm well excited to get these on. They're going to go on the 2nd as well, and put them in with the MOT centre that I'm going to go to. Yes, we get these bad boys on. I know obviously a lot of people said about Michelin, and to be fair, if I was buying new, I probably wouldn't have gone for the RS. But yeah, I would have gone probably for the one of the Michelin's, PS3 or something like that. They're 195/50 R15s at the moment. I've got 205 45 15s, but these are the only ones that come in this tyre. But yes, look how sexy that looks. £55 tyre. Yeah, I know they're second hand, but yeah, well happy with that. Discontinued tread that everybody says they love, and it's pretty much, yeah, pretty much new, so decent. The other thing I was saying about the John Farr's lowering frames. I need to look it up really, but I'm pretty sure it's 30 to 40 mil, just over an inch. They're quite a lot different obviously to the standard ones if I go and grab them now. Alright, so that's the standard one. If I sort of tilt it on its side, obviously this is the passenger side, but you can see the difference in height between those two. And then the same with the bulkier one. That's the John Farr's, and that's the standard one. So it's going to make that nice difference, but like I said, an install video will come up, and then we'll have a little test fit sitting down. Jesus Christ! I mean, what is this? It's supposed to be summer. Global warming, people. Got my new garage door as well, professionally painted by myself and my darling partner. But yeah, I prefer the grey door than the brown one. I keep saying to my neighbour, and he keeps going, why did you go with a nice grey one? Now I got a brown one. I was like, well, you know, got up my game, and so yeah, unfortunately the weather's not helping with the modifications, so it might be I might just go in and do a little bit of gaming tonight. If any of you guys do any gaming on Xbox, slide yourself down in the comments, I'll add you, we can play together. Yeah, I don't think there'll be any mods coming tonight, but these are two new parts that I bought. There is one massive one that I am planning on doing. I'm a little bit nervous, a little bit sort of dubious about whether I should or shouldn't do it, but if I do it, it'll be good for the channel, and it'll make the car exciting, let's say. Make it a little bit quicker. Don't know, bit on the fence. We'll see if it passes the MOT first, I suppose. So yeah, wish me luck on Monday. Keep an eye on my Instagram if you haven't already. Follow us on there, and you'll see the pain that Monday brings. Hopefully not. Hopefully it should pass with flying colours. But yeah, just wanted to give you guys a little update on that. A few new parts that I bought, some sexy tyres, nice lowering frames to make the car feel a little bit more sporty. The only thing with the Clio 182 is that it feels quite high up on the seats. It doesn't. The car's low, but the seats feel like you're quite high. And being 6'2" myself, it's quite nice to drop it by an inch. Rain's starting to slow down. As always, do remember to like, comment and subscribe. I appreciate every subscription. We're nearly at 3k. 3,000 subs was my goal for 2021. I know it's been a slow year for everyone, including myself, especially with videos and stuff, but yeah, no, I appreciate all you guys that watch and liking every single video. Yeah, keep up the good work. So yeah, thank you very much for tuning in, guys. I'm going to leave it there, and yeah, I'll catch you. I'll hopefully put the John Farr's lowering frame video out on the weekend, or maybe next midweek, and then yeah, there'll be an MOT video with some sexy new tyres on, hopefully. So yeah, thank you very much for tuning in as always, guys, and I'll catch you next time. Cheers.